And the total amount that you guys raised for the build is... Alright, I know that was a little bit of a cliffhanger, but I'm going to get right into it. I have a few things to say first. First thing, in the last episode, you guys said I looked like too much of a nerd. So in this episode, I took all of the money that you guys raised for the build, and I bought this really sick chain. Like, it's like a gold, like, diamond, like, AK-47. So that way I won't look like a nerd anymore. So, thank you guys. That's the end of the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Got you. Totally got you guys. All right, anyway, I did not spend all of your money on a gold chain. I actually spent all of your money on car parts for the Turbo Civic, just like I said I was going to. And believe me, you guys are going to be stoked when you see what I got. So really quick backstory. This is my Turbo Civic. It was making 380 horsepower at the wheels. I was going to the drag strip, smoking Mustangs, smoking Camaros. It was fun, and it was ripping, and then it blew up. And I rebuilt it, and then it blew up again. And here we are, about to rebuild it again. Now at the time, it was extremely bad timing when this motor blew up for the second time, and I was just like borderline about to part this car out, which I can't even believe I'm saying that right now, but I was really close to parting this car out. And so I reached out to you guys and asked for help. I made this merch with this design. Mine says saved from the car crusher because you guys saved this car from the car crusher, but all the ones that you guys purchased said save me from the car crusher, and I just want to say thank you so much for the support on that. And then also I ran a live stream where I ate progressively spicier foods all the way up to a habanero pepper, and as you guys donated, I ate the next spicy food, and you guys have like absolutely demolished my expectation for that live stream. I set the donation goal for $190. Like, if I had made $190 and had to eat all those spicy foods and the habanero pepper, I would have felt completely happy and totally like it was a complete success. And you guys destroyed that. So let me tell you guys the totals right now. So from merch, you guys raised, and this is profit. This is not sales. This is like how much money actually you guys put in my pocket to buy parts and get this car back on the road. You guys raised $407 just on merch profits. So you guys absolutely crushed the merch. Like, thank you guys so much. As I said in the past, I did hand draw this design, so I'm really, really happy that you guys found joy in this design as well and helped me out. Seriously, that was huge. And then for the live stream, this absolutely blew my mind. In the first 10 minutes of the live stream, you guys had already almost surpassed my $190 goal. And I hadn't even started eating spicy food yet. You guys just came in hot with the donations, and a completely humbling experience. It was an absolute blast, the entire live stream. I think everyone that showed up, Pasha showed up, Kearney was there, Pasha's girlfriend Sophie came, and RJ came, and it was just such a fun time, and I think everyone watching had fun. It was just amazing, and I want to do another one again soon. But anyway, let me get to the point here. With just the live stream alone, you guys raised $750. Or like $755 for the live stream. Like I said, absolutely incredible. I seriously can't thank you guys enough, because if it weren't for you guys, I wouldn't be standing here making this video right now. I'd still be saving money to try to get the parts to rebuild this thing. But in total, between the merch and the live stream, you guys raised $1,162. I still can't believe that. It's insanely cool to me that after 3 or 4 years of absolutely busting my ass on this platform, I'm in a position where people like you guys are so willing and so happy to help me out when I'm in a situation that really sucks. So thank you guys so much, sincerely from the bottom of my heart, for all your help. Now let me show you guys what I got with all of your donations and support. I'm going to start it off small and work my way up to the big stuff. First, got a couple turbo gaskets, you know, pretty easy part. Those are $13.20 for the set. All right, next for $9.39, I got an OEM Honda water pump gasket, just because I'm going to be reusing the water pump. It has almost no mileage on it, so it's pretty new. But I just want to refresh the gasket. Same thing with the oil pump going forward. You'll see what I'm talking about. Next, we got some Honda Bond and some oil pump gaskets. These were $26.98 for this set right here. This is an OEM Honda oil pan gasket. This was $58.65. Next, we got a Cometic LS VTEC head gasket for an 82 millimeter bore. It's just the stock thickness at 030. This was $84.92. So one of the more expensive items here. Next, we got some King thrust washers for $84.92. Next, for $78.32, we got some ACL race main bearings. These are the HX ones, so there's a little bit extra oil clearance. It's like 1 thou. A lot of you guys said that I should just reuse my bearings, but I decided if we're going full-fledged with basically an entire rebuild, I might as well refresh all of the rotating assembly. There was no point to me in skipping out on, you know, $85 for bearings. Next, we got rod bearings for $80.60. These are also HX ACL race bearings. And down to the big kahuna, the biggest item on the list, the one that you guys are the most excited to see, the one that I was the most excited to arrive, are the Pistons. And I did not skimp. I got exactly what you guys would have wanted me to get as far as Pistons go. So check this out. We got some CP Carrillo forged 82 millimeter 9-to-1 compression ratio Pistons. I'm going to pull one out of the box and show it to you guys up close. They're rad. They look so good. Came with piston rings. They're in these little boxes. They also came with wrist pins, and I know that CP is an amazing brand. I have no affiliation with them, obviously, but everyone says amazing things about CP in general, so I'm really, really excited to be running these Pistons. But anyway, here they are. Let me pull one out. Wow. Like it, so good. Here, I'll show it to you guys up close. So it's an 82 millimeter piston. The bore is 82. The compression ratio is 9-to-1, and I'm using just stock size Honda LS rods, stock stroke, you know. So the only thing that has changed in this equation is the size of the piston, which is now from stock 81 millimeters bored out. It'll be bored out to 82 millimeters, slightly larger piston, and a 9-to-1 compression ratio. So this should be perfect for what I'm doing. The inside is really nice as well. It looks like such a great product, and I can't wait to put them in the motor. And I'm not personally gonna be putting these in the motor, but anyway, let me tell you guys the grand total for all these parts. The pistons were $679. So they are a higher end piston for sure. So the grand total for parts was $1,126.28. And that left us with $35.72 left over, which I used to buy the snacks for the live stream, like all the spicy foods. You know, that was actually like $60, but I'm just allocating that $37 to cover that. So you guys 100% covered all of the parts that I needed to rebuild this engine, which is insane, absolutely incredible. You guys have blown my mind once again. So it's just crazy, man. So you're seeing this video on a Tuesday, or at least it was uploaded on a Tuesday. I am actually dropping the motor off with all the parts today on Tuesday as you're watching this video. I don't know exactly how long it'll take for me to get the motor back in my hands, but the plan going forward is once I get the motor back, it'll be bored out to 82 millimeters. The pistons will be installed, rods, crank, bearings, everything here except for the gaskets will be installed. I'll take the short block, put it back on the stand here at home, and I'll reassemble it just like I did last year with some super dope audio, and just it's going to be great. Motor will go back in the car, fire it up for the first time. I don't even know if I'll start it, to be honest. I might have this car trailered to the dyno. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, you guys see where I'm at. I've got a lot going on. The S2000's having issues as well, so I got to figure that out. There's just a lot going on right now. I got work going crazy. But anyway, I just wanted to make this video to show you guys just how much help you guys actually gave me and where we're at with the build, and to give you guys a little update. I don't really want to like post little like vloggy videos too much because there's probably going to be some time in between uploads here because I got to wait for the motor to come back from the machine shop. I got to figure out some stuff with the S2000. Got a lot going on, like I said, but once I get all caught up and figured out and everything is back in order as it should be, it's going to be crazy. It's going to be sick. It's going to be great. That's all I got to say. So anyway, this was really fun. Thank you guys so much again for all the support. And let's do it. Let's plan, commit, execute, and attain our goals, boys. And love you guys. Bye-bye. Hi, Mom.